Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of API testing with Postman and exploring how to automate your tests using data-driven approaches. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting with APIs, data-driven testing can be a game changer. It saves you time, effort, and ensures comprehensive coverage of your API endpoints. So grab your favorite beverage and let's get started. Imagine testing your API with different sets of data, like usernames, passwords, or product IDs. Manually doing this for each case would be tedious and inefficient. Data-driven testing automates this process by feeding your test scripts with various datasets stored in external files like CSV or JSON. This allows you to test multiple scenarios with minimal effort, identify edge cases and potential bugs, improve test coverage and reliability. Scene script. Create a Postman collection. Organize your API requests into a collection for easy execution. Prepare your data file. Create a CSV or JSON file containing your test data. Each row object should represent a different test case. Import data into Postman. In the collection runner, select your data file and let Postman parse it. Parameterize your requests. Use Postman's templating features to replace static values in your requests with data from your file. For example, replace a placeholder like username with the actual username from your dataset. Output. Use environments. Manage different API endpoints and configurations for various environments like development, staging, and production. Write pre-request and post-request scripts. Automate tasks like data manipulation or environment setup before and after each test run. Utilize Newman. Take your Postman collections to the next level by running them from the command line for continuous integration and deployment, CI/CD pipelines. Output. And that's it. With data-driven testing in Postman, you can streamline your API testing process and ensure the reliability of your applications. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips. Happy testing!